Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the Syncfusion Angular PDF Viewer. In this video, I'll walk you through how the different toolbars improve document interaction, covering the primary toolbar, annotation tools, form designer capabilities, redaction tools, organized pages tools, and available customization options. Let's begin with the primary toolbar, which serves as the main control panel of the viewer. You can enable it using the Enable Toolbar property. It provides quick access to common actions such as opening, downloading, and printing PDF documents. Navigation controls allow users to move through pages using first, previous, next, and last page options, or by directly entering a page number. Viewing tools help users adjust how the document is displayed. Options such as zoom in, zoom out, and fit to page make it easy to control the viewing scale. Interaction modes like pan allow users to drag the document, while text selection lets them select and copy content. Toolbar also includes text search, helping users quickly locate content and move through search results. Additional commands such as undo, redo, and submit form support interactive PDF workflows. Along with the main toolbar, the viewer also provides a navigation sidebar, which can be set using the Enable Navigation Toolbar property. This sidebar allows users to navigate large documents through bookmarks and thumbnails easily. Need annotation tools? You can add the annotation toolbar using the Enable Annotation Toolbar property. Provides options for adding text markup annotations such as highlight, underline, strike through, and squiggly. Users can also draw shapes like lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, and polygons, or use the ink tool for freehand drawing and handwritten signatures. For technical documents, the viewer includes measurement tools that allow users to calculate distance, perimeter, area, radius, and volume directly within the PDF. Additional tools, such as stamps and free text annotations, help users insert notes or labels within the document. Once an annotation is selected, its properties such as color, opacity, thickness, and font appear automatically, making it easy to modify the annotation appearance. Need to design interactive forms? Add the Form Designer toolbar using Enable Form Designer Toolbar property. Allows you to insert fields like text boxes, password fields, radio buttons, drop-down lists, list boxes, checkboxes, and signature or initial fields. When working with sensitive documents, you can add Redaction Toolbar using Enable Redaction Toolbar property. Allows users to mark text or entire pages for redaction, and permanently remove confidential information once the redaction is applied. To manage document structure, enable the Organized Pages toolbar using Enable Page Organizer. In the thumbnail view, users can insert, delete, rotate, copy, import, and drag and drop pages. You can also enable or disable tools to fit your workflow. The PDF Viewer also supports toolbar customization. You can control toolbar items, hide or reorder them, disable built-in actions, and add custom items along with templates and CSS styling. The PDF Viewer adapts automatically to touch devices. On smaller screens, toolbar items adjust to the available space, and additional actions move into a More Options menu. Toolbars are positioned at the bottom of the viewer for easier touch interaction. You can also enable desktop mode to display the full toolbar layout on mobile devices. Developers can control toolbar visibility programmatically using the available APIs, allowing toolbars to be shown or hidden dynamically within the application. In this video, you have seen how toolbars in the Syncfusion Angular PDF Viewer make it easier to build a complete and efficient document viewing experience.